Hi everyone, welcome. My name is Bruce Swartz. We're going to look at some high resolution, high definition shots, live shots of the surface. We're going to look at Theophilus crater, where Cyrillus crater is, and all the other craters where they're white, so white that we can barely see any surface detail. So now when we go to the edge of the moon, I'm going to have a lot of exposure. So yeah, basically, in other words, there's a lot of exposure in these shots, these close-ups and zoom-ups. And I'll get some music up, but before the end of the video, we're going to go back and look at some serious built structures on the surface of the moon, and I'm going to explain a few things to you guys. So thanks for watching. That's right, you did not hear wrong. Real structures, real constructed objects on the surface of the moon, without a doubt. If there's one area, one construction ensemble that I do believe in and that I know for a fact, I would vouch on it, and I'm putting that at the head of my research. We're going to see it again today in this video. It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. It'll be the most beautiful thing you've ever seen, and the ones following me are going to remember this area, but we're going to look at it in real close-up, X-ray processing, inversion of the surface, so that quite simply we see a lot of the detail. Thanks for watching, everyone. Watch the exposure. Well, there's so many surface objects. It's just incredible. Now, this object looks slanted, and look, it has a shadow underneath. Monolithic object, towering object. It may be slanted due to the optical illusion of sometimes craters looking inverted or outverted. It depends. This, I showed some of this yesterday. Light source under Copernicus crater, many connections, and yeah, they're constructed objects. We don't know what they are. We don't know if they're ancient or new. It doesn't matter. They really shouldn't be there, these objects. And there's a beauty to it, The first part, before even being afraid of all of this, was the beautiful part. I don't know. I think it's incredible. I think it's sort of cool knowing that the moon is filled with all these structures. The uncool part is that, the agenda, whatever. I mean, whatever reason that we're not being told of these. You got to wonder why they went to the moon, probably to look at these. Glass-like structures, or just see-through or gray or same reflectivity as the surface? Bridges. That's what you just saw. 2 long bridges, straight and symmetrical. So, yeah, what is this? This is the best picture I've ever shown of the surface. Symmetrical craters, looks like cement, just like here on Earth. Objects standing up, but that are bent over, leaning, towering over the surface with bases to them, symmetrical bases to them. What the heck are these objects? Well, look inverted here. It's even better to look at it like this with the X-ray processing over top of that. Just amazing to see that it's straight up, simply, easy to do. We're seeing structures. But now watch this. All these structures, well, look at the connections here. Hard to see, yeah, but we can still see them. And they're real structures. Maybe they're ancient. Maybe they've been there for ages. Some people say it's humans. Some people say humans can't get to the moon. We're saying so many things, and we're not even looking at the details up there. We're just fighting together. I'm speaking in general. We're fighting. As humans, we always fight. No, it's not this. No, it's not that. But this is all going on under our noses either way. They're definitely constructed objects. And I've showed hundreds of them, okay? Definitely constructed objects. This is in the Southern Highlands, and you're not going to tell me that there's anything natural there. So many connections and corridors and bridges and paths on the surface. And somebody told me the lights are reflection. Well, you see that one? It was a sunny day, I guess.